What is up, lock picking newbie here, and today I have a Ford Transit Connect. Door is locked, door is unlocked, and now it is locked again. As you can see, it has a Tibbe key. So we're going to try. We're going to try to pick it with this Tibbe Lock Pick. We'll insert it, seat it nicely, pull the pin out, and move them all over. There's our binding pin right there. So we'll start moving these up a little bit, find the play, and where's the play at? Trying to find out who's got the play. That little guy feels like he's got a lot of play in it. So, let's see. Right about there. About there, that looks good. That feels pretty good. There it is, unlocked. And there we have it, a Ford Transit Connect van, and that lock has been picked. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Lock picking newbie out.